Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Send me your location. Let's focus on communicate. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, I just want to say I literally made everything like weeks ago. And I said I was going to do a series, so I was waiting on the time to do a series. And so in between that time, I lost all my video footage. We're just going to have to live with what we have right now. And so we have half of my wall already done. We have all of my stuff already out of the packaging. Woo woo! So basically, I have a bunch of little like thingies. So I have like a bunch of little succulent clips. So Dollar Tree has these little canvases. They're little white canvases. I'm going to do little arts, and stuff with it and put them on my wall. I was lucky enough to find command strips from Dollar Tree. This literally saved my life because this pack was $1, baby. So like literally all I have to do is just like, Let's get crafty. Let's DIY. Let's do this. Get it like DIY, like do. Yeah, I gotta go. If this is your first time seeing me or my existence, face, all of the above, click that like button, click that subscribe button, follow me on all my socials. They'll be on the screen and in the description box down below.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No.
So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you thought my wall looked kind of cool, kind of cute, whatever. It's just a cute video just to let you guys know that you can literally redo your wall using Dollar Tree items, and I kind of killed it. I mean, like low key, it kind of turned out pretty nice. I'll see you guys Sunday for my next video.
I just need the time and place to come.